Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a video on this look. If you're interested in seeing how I do this, then keep on watching. So before I actually start with everything, I just want to give a big thank you to all of you beauties because I have reached 1,000 subscribers and I am over the moon. I just don't believe it still. I am so happy and I appreciate all of you guys commenting, liking, and subscribing to my channel because as you can see, we made it to 1,000. So thank you guys so much. And also my birthday was like a couple of days ago, and my girl Andrea did she gave me a big shout out and also asked a lot of y'all to help me reach 1,000 quicker. So if you come from Andrea, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. And for Andrea, thank you so much, girl. You're such a good friend and you literally just made my day. I was so happy to see that you've put that shout out up, and also obviously you helped me reach 1,000 quicker, and that was basically my biggest birthday gift. So thank y'all so much. So now going into nails, the first color that I'm using is actually from Glitter Planet and it's called Frenchies, and this is just a beautiful pre-mixed glitter, but then it's also a colored acrylic. I don't know why, but when I was filming this, the camera or the lighting was not doing the color some justice, so it does look a lot better. Hopefully you'll be able to see it when I show you at the end. But what I'm doing is I'm using this color and I'm just applying it halfway in the nail, and I'm blending it towards the back once it's in the middle of the nail. And now I'm going in with Blizzard White from Glitter Planet as well, and I'm double dipping in Blizzard White and also clear acrylic, and I'm just going to create a marble nail on the middle finger as well as the ring. Once I'm happy with the placement of that marble, I basically just come in with Frenchies. I kind of try to work a little bit more wet, and I just apply it randomly on that nail just to give it that extra bit of glitter. Also, I wanted to mention that currently where I live is really hot, so my acrylic is setting a little bit too quickly, which is a struggle. So if you guys have any tips on how you can tackle that, I mean, I do have a fan next to me and I'm gonna try and get another one which works a little bit stronger, but yeah, it does get frustrating when my acrylic just dries too quickly. And yeah, I try to work wet and no, it sets too quick. So yeah, let me know if you're struggling with the same thing. Also, let me know where you guys live or how it is, what it's like where you live, what's the weather like, what you're all been up to during this times. Are you still on lockdown? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to interact with you guys. So now I'm coming in with my all-time favorite cover color, which is Toasted Rose from Glitter Planet, and I'm just going to apply that closer to that cuticle area. I tried to drain that bead a little bit and I think it was a very bad idea because the acrylic was already drying too quickly. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend you drain your beads when you have hot weather. But anyway, it worked eventually because this color just blends so beautifully with anything, no matter how wet or how thick, like how dry you work with your beads. So I highly recommend you try this color because it's perfect for ombres as well as any design really. So I'm just applying that closer to the cuticle area, and I'm creating a nice ombre, and I'm just gonna do that on the index as well as the pinky. And I forgot to mention to you guys, but the brush that I'm using is my favorite brush from Glitter Planet, which is the Magic Stick number 10. So once I have completed the design, I'm coming in with my clear acrylic and I'm going to encapsulate all of the nails. When you do this, you want to make sure you build a good apex as well as a good thickness at the tip. You also want to make sure that you cover the entire nail to cover any of that design that you've created, so a marble and ombre as well as the glitters, because especially when you have used colored acrylic, you want to protect that with your clear, just so you don't file that color off when you come to file your nails at the end. Another thing I want to mention to you guys is that when I encapsulate ombres, I basically just apply my bead where the blend starts and then just press and pull all towards the tip, so that I basically encapsulate the lower half of the nail from where the blend starts without trying to put acrylic closer to the cuticle area, just because I normally just only use core acrylic, which do not require any capping. So in order for me to prevent that nail being bulky from the top or from the cuticle area, I basically just start applying my bead where the blend starts. Now I'm coming in with my 100/180 hand file, and I'm just going to file all the nails, reshaping them to crispen up that shape. And then after that, I'm going to come in with my medium smooth top drill bit from Glitter Planet, and I'm just going to file all the nails to smoothen out the surfaces. So I've dusted off all the nails and cleansed, and now I'm using Jet Black from Gel Bottle Ink, as well as my detailer brush from Nailmate Glitter Planet. And now I'm just going to be creating my design. So I decided to create something like Zodiac-ish kind of look. So because my birthday was only a couple of days ago, I decided to draw the Gemini sign, which I did here first, but I did not like how it looked, so I went over and done it again. So I'm starting off with this like space type of look. I don't even know what it is, you guys, but I've seen it on multiple pictures of where there's like zodiac signs, and I decided to incorporate it. But anyway, I am just going to draw the zodiac sign, so the Gemini sign, on the tip of the middle finger. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch because I find watching people drawing on nails so satisfying, so I don't want to ruin that for you. And also I want you to appreciate how incredibly well this detailer brush works. So I've cured the design for 60 seconds in my lamp, and now I'm just going to go over that design with the same detailer brush from Glitter Planet, and I'm using Stick It from Profiles Backstage, which is like a gel for like foils. So after I have gone over the designs, I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds, and then I'm going to come in with some gold foil to give it that really nice metallic-y effect. And because the background of the design is black, it just made that gold pop out, and it looked so freaking gorgeous because it actually gave it like that charmy look. You'll see in a second. How gorgeous do these look, you guys? It literally looks like stickers or like charms, the metal ones that you apply on the nails. I was super impressed, so I highly recommend you give this a go. But anyway, and now I am just applying my top coat, which is Super Gloss from Glitter Planet, all-time favorite top coat, and I'm just going to apply that on all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am actually really impressed with this design. I hope you guys like it as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I had such an amazing time creating those nails. So if you decide to recreate them, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your recreation. And once again, you can also interact with me there if you have any questions that you want a full-on depth answer. I'm more than happy to do that for you. Finally, I just want to say thank you again so much for all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel. I hope our channel, not my channel, our channel grows and we can just interact and, you know, just all succeed all together. And as I have promised y'all before, I will be doing a big giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video.